Alright, so in this activity we're looking at a practice activity as part of Lesson 3, Drawing and Game Lab for Code.org. And we notice we have a flower here that we need to create, and if we run this, it looks like these two petals are out of place. Looks like maybe this one we could move up this direction and it would probably be in line, or we could move this one and move this one over a little bit. So it looks like that these first three are probably in the correct placement. So this one, and this one. Let's take a look at this one right here, and let's kind of change its y-axis, and let's make it 200. And just to see where that ends up. Okay, so it moved it over here. Looks like we need to kind of navigate it just a little bit more to the left. So let's go ahead and do that here. And that looks like it put it in the correct placement. So now we got to move this one, and we know that we got to move it down and to the left a little bit here. So we have 240 by 195 for this one. I'm going to say that this is going to have to be a little bit less than this 240. So we'll do 220. And let's kind of see where that is. Okay, so it moved it over here a little bit. So now we have that in the correct spot. Let's kind of move this down. And if you notice when you show the grid here, so it has 200, and we actually need to move down a little bit down here. So, it's kind of in the middle. We need to move it down. So we're going to add to this. We're going to say 235. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. There we go. I think that looks pretty accurate. Yeah, I think so. I think that looks pretty good. So that should complete that activity for you. Again, a lot of times with these debuggings and really with code in general, we just kind of have to problem solve a little bit just to figure out the issue and try to, try different things until you get them in the right spot. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.